Hello everyone. Today we are going to build a modern product card using only HTML and CSS. This design is used in websites like Amazon and Flipkart. So let's start coding. First, I am creating container. Container means a box that holds everything in the center. I'm adding image. I'm pasting image URL. Next, I'm adding product name using heading tag, wireless headphone. Now, short description for the product. Best sound quality. Button buy now. Our CSS part is completed. Start styling. Styling body, display flex, justify content, center, align items, center, height 100 VH. Now I'm adding font family, adding background, white smoke. We are using Flexbox to center the card. Now I'm centering a modern card with shadow and smooth look. Width 280 pixel. Background white. Padding 15 pixel. Text align. Center. Border radius 12 pixel. Next I'm adding box shadow. I'm adding card hover transform. Translate y-axis -8 pixel. When user hover card will lift up. I'm styling card image. With 100%. Border radius 10 pixel. Now I'm styling button background color white. Border none. Padding 8 padding 8 pixel 12 pixel. Now I'm adding border radius 6 pixel. Cursor pointer. Transition 0.3 second. Save and see output. Our modern product card is ready. Now change image, price or color and create your own design. If you want next video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.